that you're passing on?
So this all starts one day prior. Okay. So this is the local palm oil rice. Rice. So we soak this overnight, and in the morning we grind it to a very fine paste. And then you decide, as we are doing the paleo, you have to decide the consistency.
So this is Jyoti rice. Can we use basmati rice for this? He said no. Okay. Everybody's got their share. Sonia madam. So the first step.
You take fresh turmeric leaves from your backyard, and those living in apartments, I'm sure you grow them in pots. Sorry. Because remember, we have to steam very high temperature.
So your leaves are already being cut because we didn't have extra scissors to give us, so we cut them and kept them ready for you.
The whole lump has to be cooked. Yeah.
So that basically, however thick you want, you spread. Thank you for being here. Young ladies and boys, I saw three boys as well earlier on. I thought also, two home science college. And of course we have Carmel College as well, who arrived here earlier in the morning. So are you done? That looks very generous. Okay.
I shall explain the ingredients. I will tell you the ingredients very Hi. Okay, this is the local jaggery.
This is the local jaggery.
This is the grated coconut. And then we have the rice. This is cardamom, and this is cinnamon. These are optional. It depends for flavor. If you would like to use these, you can use it. So this you grate, and then this is what we get. So this is the best.
Okay, take it. Sambar ko lagay, hardly long hai, pani long hai. Chalo. Pass it out, please.
This is how you put it and seal it at the ends. Remember, we are steaming it up. So I'm going to my home to along with my So we are steaming it.
So we're going to steam it right here. See that? Must have flat for it, flat. Yeah. And seal it at the end. Because you're steam for the leather, you must have sealed up already. It's good to see you. Mr. Kirkal as well. Take some butter. As long as it's sealed. I think you're not sealed at the edges. What is this called, Doctor? It's called a compro. Compro? Compro.
Come out. Yeah, water will has to be
So this is what the steel
Also for the rest of you who are at the back, this is the first edition of the JET Talks that is happening, and we have Dr. Rajendra Kelkar. Everyone's been listening about Tiger Reserve in Goa. It's all in the politics, in the news as well. Maybe it's a good time to go into the club if you're not here at this table and witness, of course, Dr. Rajendra Kelkar talk about the Tiger Reserve. I'll be going shortly in.
And then this is how you will unwrap the patori.
How long do you steam this?
About an hour.
You just put it inside, how it got? Magic. You just said magic. So Doctor took brass gela sagla kumpla road, sakani in soam steam kon dola ready. Floor road. 10 out of 10. Yeah, after the remaining goes into my stomach.
You cried?
That's a good question.
For each
This is only something that we traditionally use in Goa.
we are brought this way, and we are old school, so we follow the traditional method. So Nicole and I are coming around.
GoPro. Mantapon Partlan, we've got the first edition of the JET Talks, Goa Educational Discussion that's happening right here, organized by Sam Matthias Sports Club under the presidentship of Mr. Robin Craster and the Vice President, Remy Almeida. For some reason in the news they called him Danny Almeida a few days back. So maybe some of you can go ahead over there. The rest of you are waiting for Patel to eat Patel. You have to change that lady.
People, if you all can move to the club inside, the JET Talk is about to start, and our environmentalist, Mr. Rajendra Kelkar, is going to talk on a very important topic, which is burning Goa, and you probably want to sit there and listen to this leader who has been here with us. Do not miss this opportunity to go and listen to him. So do please move inside and get your chair there.
सर आयज बोंदेरांक तुमी पातोळेचे फेस्त ऑर्गनायज केले कितें सांगचे दिसता तुमकां?
सो पातोळेचे फेस्त आमी 2008 कॉमेस केल्ले भोमोरपा गांवांत भोमोरपा स्प्रिंग एंड तेन्ना इन दॅट टायम पातोळ्यो इन द हावस हिंदूज institute their homes, Catholics institute their own homes. But last year we had it in Karampudi, the year before it was in Madkai, and now it's become a travelling festival of Goa. So we were very happy that Rajendra Kelkar, eminent environmentalist and the principal of the Goa College of Agriculture, Mr. Kundweka, have announced that we are going to go for a GI tag for the Pathoi. So very big news. So that has come from here. Many years ago we started working on the Kumot for a GI tag. That will be happening. So today Dr. Gwendolyn Fernandes did a workshop on Pathoi, and there's a great response. Many students from Carmel College, Home Science, they all participated today. So the news is great that the Pathoyos are back. And the principal of the Goa College of Agriculture, Mr. Kundweka, not only gave a presentation, he gave the seeds for people to take home and grow. So Pathoyos are back.
So on Bondera, what do you like to say?
Yeah,
Dr. Bondera is happening.
yeah, so Samadhi's Bandera today is a historic day. It's been going on for centuries. It was always the same. This year, Bandera has changed in some years. We are starting at 11 in the morning till 10 at night. So now this is the longest Bandera in history. Before it was only a 5-6 hour affair. Now it's 11 hours. And the morning session from 11 in the morning till about 5 o'clock is all educational and sharing of knowledge. As much knowledge as we can. And in the evening session is like anywhere in Goa, music, dance, but we are now concentrating that we have to share knowledge. If no, we cannot pass on the skill to the next generations of Goa. If you see near, there are Molla making, there's Rotasa making, there is so many new things happening. So the future of Bandera now is in sharing knowledge. So every year from now it will be 11 o'clock and might even be 10 o'clock next year because we got so much information to share. So today from here, after the workshop, we have Bandera Jawan. Then there is something called JED Talks. The famous environmentalist, Dr. Rajendra Kelkar, is going to be talking about the Tiger Reserve. After the Bandera Jawan, we are going for a 2-hour walk around the village for a passover. And there will be street plays, kale, and then we will be coming to the venue where there are 4 groups from the village performing with different songs. And then there are bands and there are singers. And so continuous day of sharing knowledge and showcasing Goa to the world.
So what's the difference between Olle Bonera and Dakte Bonera?
No, there is no such thing. Now those were the old days. These are 2 villages on one island. So this is Samathias village with our own panchayat, separate. That's why we have to do our own festival. Diwar is Piwa Piada. So PYA do their own Bandera. So I don't know what time they start. I think they start in the evening, 4 o'clock. So when you think about the length of the program, and we are basically, we in the future are going to be on the quality of the program. So we are not interested in the quantity. The quality is most important. So we are starting 11 o'clock and you will see here so many young children are interested. So the future is in the quality of programs. No point having people in thousands if you are not going to give them knowledge to share. And our idea is we want quality people to come for the Bandera and give them knowledge. So this year, Goa College of Agriculture is here, Goa College Home Science here from Panjim, Carmel College is here. So all about giving knowledge. The future, if we do not share knowledge, we cannot save Goa.
So one more thing, flag, this thing is happening.
Yeah,
What is
this
this
is the olden
exactly?
days. So the olden story was because of disputes between the people in the villages, the Portuguese came with an idea that to demarcate your field, Cheta. So with that, they should put flags all around the field to demarcate the flags. And now, centuries later, we have used that, modified and changed and called it the Bandera Fest. So Festival of Flags. But now we've passed all that. That is all history. Now the future is how to save our next generation.
So any message from your side for the students who are willing to be a performing artist?
Yes, so this is a platform for people to come. So lots of people throughout the day are coming from around Goa. One of the things is we have got our local band from the village. Children are being trained. So they're going to be performing today, children. After that, we got the Malar Brass Band led by Artin Menezes. So they are Aldan Menezes. They are from the village. So everything here, over 500 people in the villages have volunteered. It doesn't happen overnight. It takes 1 whole month of practices at night. So if you came to our village last whole week, all night till 10, 11 at night, parents, children, teenagers, fathers, mothers, all rehearsing and practicing and getting ready to showcase Goa to the world today in Samathiya.
So this
Also,
is
bike code I think Bailan Nala outside the club. Can we please have you move the bikes out of the way because we are barricading right now for the event later on. Rasta be going I go at bikes code please master to me bikes.
So this year you've been part of Bonera with the Patoiche Fest. How was your experience and how excited you are?
This is my 50th year in Bandera. 1974 was the first time I ever saw Bandera in our village, 50 years ago. And from year 2000, I have been volunteering at this Bandera. So this is 25 years now of volunteering. So I have been in fest. This is my 85th fest today. Patoiche Fest is my 85th fest in Goa. So I'm very proud and happy that I've reached my village now. And it's been a great response. And I have to thank Samathiya Sports Club and its new president, Robin Castro, Marion D'Souza, Joel from our club, and Remy Almeida, all of them for asking me to be part of this fest.
Thank you, sir.
Mingelaचे घेता. Mingel.
सर आयज बोनेरांक फातोयेचे फेस्त जाले आनी बोनेरांक तुमी आयिल्ले आयज कितें सांगचे दिसता तुमकां?
एकदम बरें दिसता. एक फातोयेचें फेस्त परत सुरू केल्लें आसा म्हणून मारेस बाबान हांगासर. आनी फातोयो हे आमी ऑगस्ट म्हयन्यान करतात. ऑगस्टाचे 1 तारखेक करतात, तशेंच 15 तारखेक करतात, नागपंचमीक करतात आनी गणेशाक करतात. पूण हे कित्याक करतात, कशें करतात, फुडले पिळगेकूय खबर आसपाक जाय. फक्त केलें आनी खाल्लें म्हणून नान विकत घेवन खाल्लें ना, कशें करपाचें आनी तेजो फायदे कितें आसा हे सांगलें आसा. हळडीचे फायदे कितें आसा आनी हळडीच्या पानांसूनय कितें फायदो आसा तोय हांगासर डॉक्टर गावरीश कारंजलकरान सांगलेलें आसा. बोनेरा हे एक फेस्त आसलें. नवी कणशी जेन्ना येता तेन्ना कोमुनिदाद आपली बाउंड्री आसा थंयसून शिदाव घेवपाचे वा तेजे टॅक्स घेवपाची ती मार्क करताली बावट्याला. बावट्यांक पुर्तुगेजीन बोदेरा म्हणटा आनी हे उतर उरलेलें आसा बोनेरा. जाल्यार हे बावटे लावपाचे फेस्त आसलें. मागीर बावटे जायले की ना दुसरी कोमुनिदाद दिसताली की बाबा हे आमचे जमनीचेर जाय थोडे झगडी जाताली आनी त्या पासून आदी बोनेरान फटास घेवन झगडटाले. ते फटास हांगासरचीच परंपरा एक आसा. एक आसायेची तितून फल घालून नाजाल्यार हे घालताले तेफो घालताले तिरफल. पूण 2 गोश्टी आसा हितून. एक फटास घेवन खेवपाचे, दुसरें ह्या म्हयन्यान तरणे आसाये आनी तरणी तेफो आसता म्हणून सगळ्यांक याद उरता की हे फटासीन घालपाक जाय म्हणून ती याद उरता की हे बाबा तेजो सिजन म्हणून. आमी तिरफल आसा ते उड्डामेथी करपाक तशेंच हुमण करपाक आमी वापरता. हे फेस्तान आमकां आदी तर कुशीन करताले 2 कोमल्या, आतां सगळे लोक वांगडा येता आनी हो एकचार आसा हो एकदम बरो. आनी आयज हांगासर मल्लाय केल्ले आसा. मल्लां विणपी आसा ते लोक दिसता अनपड लोक आसता म्हणून. पूण हांगासर सबिनाबाई जे मल्लां विणटा तिका MSc केमिस्ट्री आसा. कोणेय करूं येता आनी अशी घरची कामां करपाक गांवांत कामां करपाक कोणाकूच लज दिसूंक पळोवना. आनी बरें दिसता म्हाका की हांगासर एग्रीकल्चर कॉलेज आसा, गोवा एग्रीकल्चर कॉलेज एलफाम आसा, तेजी स्टुडंट हांगासर येयलेले आसा, टीचर आयलेले आसा आनी वांगडा सगळ्यांक हेची सगळी जी झाडापेडाची आसा आनी आमच्या शेताची आसा ती सगळी म्हायती एकामेकाक मेळटा.
सर तुमी एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टरांतल्या प्रोफेशनांतल्यान आहा. आतां सद्याक तुमी दिवार आयिल्ले हांगातले एग्रीकल्चर आनी बायोडायवर्सिटी हेजेर तुमकां कितें सांगचे दिसता?
एग्रीकल्चर गोंयांत तर सगळे लोक सांगतात की भात शेतीचेर फायदो ना. पूण आतां मिशीन घालून तरवो लावपाचें आसा आनी मिशिनान तुका भात लुंवपाचें आनी मळपाचें वांगडा काम जाता. कंबायन हार्वेस्टर म्हणटा हें जाता. ही तंत्रां आमी वापरीत जाल्यार फायदेशीर आसा. सरकाराची सूट आसा. जे कोणा लागीं कृशी कार्ड आसा ताका सरकाराची सूट मेळटा तरवो लावपाक, तशेंच बी विकत घेवपाक आनी तशेंच लुवणी मोवणी करपाक. आनी आतां फायदेशीर आसा. लोकांक आमी बीन किटकनाशक म्हणजे आमी वखदां म्हणटा पूण किडीक वखदांनी मारिना. मारपाचें आसा तर सदांच वीक आसता. पूण किडीक मारपाचो वीक घालता ते आमकां कॅन्सर ट्युमर अशें दिता. ते बंद जातले जाल्यार आमकां आतां गोंयांत खूब लोकांक कॅन्सर जावपाक लागलो आसा. 1970 सावन आतां पासून एक 50 वर्सां सगळ्या लोकांक हांगासर कॅन्सर जाता तें आमी आयकता. आदी केन्ना आयकनासलें. परत आमी सेंद्रीय पद्दतीन ऑर्गेनीक फार्मींग करूंक शकता जाल्यार आमी भात लावपाक जाय. जाल्यार हें आतां परत सुरू जाल्लें आसा. पयलें फादर जॉर्ज क्वाद्रुसान सुरू केलें ट्रान्सप्लांटर. आतां गोंयचो शेतकार म्हणून तरणाटे आनी दुसरे बिजनसान भायर आसा ते गोंयांत येवन परत करता. तशेंच आनी खूब जाणांचे सोसायटी आसा, विविधा सोसायटी आसा आमोणा, ते करता. खूब लोक करता आपल्या आपल्या गांवांनी हे ट्रान्सप्लांटींग करपाचें म्हणजे तरवो लावपाचें मिशिनाक आनी लुवणी मोवणी करपाची. आनी हेजेर सूट आसा आनी हे आतां फायदेशीर जाल्लें आसा. हेजी आमकां 2 गोश्टी आसा. एक आमची शेतां फ्लडींग आसली ती परत पिकावळ जाल्या. कीप गोवा ग्रीन म्हणटा ते हर वर्सात परत येयला आनी नडणेचो न्हू पूण भात शेतीचो. तिसरें म्हणजे आमकां जेवणाक बरें मेवता आनी चवथें म्हणजे आमी शेत रोयता जाल्यार तें आमी कोण बिल्डराक विकचें ना. म्हणजे गोंय आमी वांटोवन दवरपाक सोदता. फुडले पिळगेक जाल्यार शेत रोयल्यारूच तें शेत उरतलें ना ती जमीन म्हणून कांय कामाची ना म्हणून लोक विकून सोंपयतले. परत आतां घेवपाक आमच्या लागीं शक्ती ना. आतां जमीन आसा ती म्हापशान जाल्यार 40-45 हजाराक गेल्या जाल्यार खेड्या गांवांनी आल्दोना नाशनला वयरा थंय ती 60 हजाराचेर गेल्ली आसा आनी आसगांव 1.5 लाखाक स्क्वेअर मिटर विकता. तशेंच शेवले दर वयर गेल्ले आसा 60-70 हजार रुपया स्क्वेअर मिटर. जो मनीस 30 हजार म्हयन्याक जोडटा तो 2 म्हयन्यांनी आख्ख्या पगारान फक्त 1 स्क्वेअर मिटर घेवपाक शकतलो जाल्यार हें आमच्या गोंया लागीं शक्य ना. तर आमी ही जमीन वांटून दवरली जाल्यार फुडले पिळगे लागीं ही जमीन आसतली आनी त्या पासून भात शेती परत करता ती बरें आसा. तशेंच हांगासर दिवाडे तशेंच दुसरे जे जो आसा थंय बांद फुटलेले आसा, खजान फुटलेले आसा. रोवपाक जाय जाल्यार हे सगळे दुरुस्त करतले आनी आमकां तेजो फायदो मेळटलो.
सर आनीक म्हणल्यार तुमी खुबशे पयलीं ट्रेडिशनल फेस्टिवल गोंयचे अटेंड करता आनी ह्या फावट तुमी हांगा बोंदेरां येयला. पयलीं अटेंड केला आसतलो. मेजर चेंजीस कितें दिसता तुमकां ओवर द इयर्स?
ओवर द इयर्स म्हणजे पयलीं आतां हांगासर दुसरें आसा पियेदाद वाठारांत पियेदाद दिग्गजाचे थंय ते बोंदेरां फुडल्या शेनवाराक करताले. ती पयलीं गांवचेच लोक करताले. मागीर टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटाचो थोडो तांकां सपोर्ट मेळ्ळो. मागीर सगळे सोऱ्याचे जे कारखाने आसा तेंची स्पॉन्सरशीप येता. खंय वयशी तूं बावटे जे आसता ते सोऱ्याचे आसता. आमी फुडले पिळगेक सोरो पियेनाका म्हणटा आनी सोऱ्याची तर आमी प्रमोशन करता जाल्यार हे उलटें करता आमी अशें दिसता. आतां हांगासर सामात्यासूय मला थंय सुरवात जाल्ली आसा. आमी हेजेर विचार करपाची गरज आसा की बाबा आमी आमची सैमाचे फेस्त करता, लोकांक गोंयची परंपरा शिकयता जाल्यार हे कित्याक सोऱ्याचे कित्याक सिगरेटीचे कित्याक हो आमी विचार करपाक जाय आनी जाता जाल्यार एक कमी हो बंद करपाक जाय. कित्याक पयशे आतां खूब लोकां लागीं आसा. क्रावड फंडींग करूं येता, दुसऱ्या लागीं स्पॉन्सरशीप मागूं येता. गांवां भितर लोकां लागीं पयसो आसा दिवपाक.